everyone, I am Mami Sika, your #1 Kasoa ambassador. Today I've decided to show you a different part of Ghana because I think you guys have seen so much about Kasoa. Today I am at Sakumono. This is a prime area in the greater Accra region, and I'm not just anywhere. I am at Alphabet City, the ABC of Home Sweet Home. And today I'm going to be showing you a little bit of luxury because you've seen so many affordable housing on my channel. On this property, there are apartments and villas over here, and you can start owning a property over here with only $17,000. I hope you enjoyed the video. Kindly hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and come along with me. Today I'm going to be walking through some of the apartment blocks here at Alphabet City, and I'm joined in here by Felix. He's one of the marketing executives, and he's going to be taking us around.
Okay, welcome to Alphabet City.
Thank you.
Alphabet City is an all-inclusive gated community. So we have the apartments and the townhouses. Okay. Now with the apartments, we have 2-bedroom apartments and 3-bedroom apartments. And for the townhouses, it ranges from 3-bedroom up to 5-bedroom.
Oh, okay. Okay, so what are your starting prices over here, and what does your community have to offer?
Okay, so before I give you the price, I would like to talk about the residential and community amenities. So for the residential amenities, we are looking at our apartment comes with a fully furnished modern kitchen, modern washrooms, standard furnished rooms with fitted fans and lights. There's an elevator in the building that will take you to your floor. We have a car space, and especially assigned to each resident, and above all, it is in a gated community, so 24/7 security services is always operational. So that's for the apartment. Now, with regards to the townhouses, that one, the rooms are en suite. There are ACs in all the rooms. You have a compound to yourself, so you can make structural changes. For example, build a boys' quarters, a summer hut, anything that will add beauty to your home. I mean, you are allowed to.
Nice.
So basically, this is Alphabet City for you.
Wait, so I have one question. Were you saying that your apartments are fully furnished?
They are standard furnished. So this is where the kitchen is fully furnished.
So it has appliances in there already?
We'll give you 5 burners to heat extractor and a cabinet.
Okay, that's nice. That's nice.
So that's for the apartments.
Okay, so take us around. Let's go see what you have to offer.
So, each apartment comes with, let's say,
you have a pin here.
In order to ensure a strong security system, each room comes with a specially assigned. So that is you can't access any of the apartments. So.
Oh, wow, nice. Or you can also use the pin, right?
No, the pin is not allowed there. This is an intercom system, so if you want to go into any of the rooms, you just dial the room's number here. They'll now pick it up from here. Before the person will allow entry. Okay. Unexpected visit. Wow.
Yes.
So ladies first.
Thank you.
As I said, in a typical block, there are 24 units in one block. 4 on each floor. On each floor, there are 4 units. 2 for 2-bedroom, 2 for 3-bedroom.
Okay.
That's basically the typical apartment. Our typical home. So if you like to use the elevator, I'd like to show you a room, what it entails, and you can take out from there.
Okay, let's go. Okay, so which one are we going to look at first?
So first, you are checking out the 3-bedroom.
The 3-bedroom?
Yeah. So as I said, there are 4 units on each floor. 2 for 2-bedroom unit, 2 for 3 bedrooms. So we are checking 1 unit of the 3-bedroom.
And then one of the 2 later. Okay.
Yes.
I'm excited to see your fully furnished kitchen. You know, the kitchen is my favorite part of every house.
Yeah, that's why. It means why. Okay, so.
Oh wow. There's a lot of lights coming in to this apartment. It's very nice.
This is spacious. It comes with a spacious living room.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. Very nice. I like your ceiling. It looks very nice, and your spotlights makes it look. Yeah, I like it. So this is your living room, right? Is this place going to be like a dining area since it goes in like that?
So depending on how best you want to structure it, modify it. I mean, some people can convert this place into their dining room, others into their living room, others into again same dining, depending on how best you like to modify your room too.
Okay. So where else would you like to show me? Let's go.
Let me show you the balcony first.
Okay, let's go.
Show you the balcony. So there's the balcony.
Oh, nice.
So you can see the whole car park from here, the whole community.
And I like the view too.
Yeah. You will like the view better when I show you one of the rooms. When you stand in one of those rooms, you can see the Tema Harbor, the beach.
Oh wow! Okay.
That oceanic view.
Nice. Okay,
So,
I can't wait to see that.
I can't wait to show you.
Yeah.
Okay, I'd like to show you the kitchen.
The kitchen. Let's go see your fully furnished kitchen that you've been talking about. Oh, I can see that you have a distribution board over here.
Yes.
Okay, so it's also a utility room at the same time.
So it's a fully furnished kitchen. It comes with a cabinet, a 5-meter stove.
Nice. That's a big stove. You have an extractor too. Nice. This is nice. This is very nice. Nice. I like your kitchen. It's really nice, and I actually like the fact that you guys don't have any burglar proof here. It doesn't make it feel like it's a prison, you know. A lot of buildings that have the burglar proof, especially on the higher floors, it's not safe, and so this is actually really cool. I like it. Yeah. You can enjoy the view without any bars in your way. Yeah. It's really nice. Really nice. So how big is this apartment anyway?
This is 125 square meters.
125 square meters. Okay. I guess that's a good size, right?
Yeah. For a modern apartment.
Yeah, it's not too big and it's not too small. It's like the perfect size, so it won't take so much to cool this area. Like you turn on your AC and it will be cool in a few minutes. Yeah, so that's really nice. Do you want to show me your 3 bedrooms now and your beautiful view?
Oh yeah, let me show you.
Okay, let's go. I like your doors.
Thank
very
you.
Nice.
Yeah. So this is the washroom. Yeah. Sorry.
Your shower is really nice.
Thank you.
It's nice.
Yeah. So this is the washroom. The WC, the bathroom cabinet, the shower, the handles, and it's quite spacious. So
yeah, it is.
This is the visitors' washroom.
Okay.
So the 2 other rooms share these washrooms.
Okay.
And the other room, that room is ensuite. So that one has its own washroom.
So that's the master bedroom.
That's the master bedroom. The room is ensuite.
Okay.
So we can check that one next.
Okay, let's go check that one out. Actually, I like the theme of your apartments. You have like the same colors for all the rooms. You have like a tone that you are going for, and it's really nice. I really like it.
So this is the master bedroom.
Nice. Oh, I see the view you were talking about. Beautiful.
So you can have a good view from here. I can actually the phone and light at the same time.
Okay, so it's a multi-purpose fun, I guess. Yeah.
Especially if you want let's take out the NC portion.
Okay. First, before we go, I like your mosquito nets. Like in Ghana, it's very important to have mosquito nets because sometimes at night you want to open the the windows for fresh air, but then the mosquitoes will get in. So this mosquito net here is really great. Is this glass sliding?
Yeah, this is sliding.
It's a sliding glass. Oh, okay, so it slides over here. Oh wow. Yeah, that's a lot of fresh air coming in.
You feel it, right?
Yes, it's really, really nice.
I can see a whole community from here.
Yeah, nice, beautiful. I guess we are going to see the master bedroom now.
So this is the master bedroom.
Oh, this is the master bedroom. Okay.
Your washroom, the master bedroom.
Okay, let's
So this is actually an suite.
Yeah.
So this is the master bedroom. Then you have the washroom to the master bedroom.
Beautiful. It's really, really nice.
Yes.
I love it.
It's also the heater.
This is a big heater. Does this heater heat the water for only the master bedroom or for all the
It heats for
all the rooms? Oh, okay, nice. Is it a solar heater?
no, it's not a solar.
It's a solar heater. Okay. Oh, it's nice.
So I mean, you can get all these in the trade now. It's a big bedroom apartment.
Nice. It's very nice, very beautiful. But at the same time, very simple too.
Fantastic.
I like your finishing. The finishing of this apartment is really nice. So
thank you.
Good job for that.
So next, I'd like to show you the 2-bedroom apartment.
Okay, let's go.
I'm hoping you love it.
Step.
Okay. Okay, so this is the 2-bedroom.
Oh, I actually like the entrance to the 2-bedroom.
Thank you.
Is the living area of the 2-bedroom bigger?
It's just a spacious living area.
Yes.
And that's the balcony. And as I told you previously, so I have that ocean view.
Yeah, I love that. I love that for sure. It's very, very nice.
So this is it. Yeah. Then the washroom, the ensuite washroom is actually here. Thank you. So,
a little space here to put some shelves.
Some shelves, yeah. A provision has been made. Yeah.
So pretty.
Thank you.
You guys have big windows here, so there's a lot of air coming into the building.
Yeah, it's important. So, these are the features: the bathroom cabinet, washroom, AWC. That's our typical washroom for a 2-bedroom.
Your towel. What kind of towels are you?
So since you're bathing, we don't want, in order to avoid falls and other, let's say, accident-related issues, we like decided to use this. Coarse, a bit rough, a bit smooth, without those features.
It's not slippery.
Yeah.
Nice. That's nice. That's actually a very good feature in this house. Yeah.
Thank you.
You can't you have to put the customers
at first. I mean, customer prices.
Yeah.
So that's it.
Beautiful.
The cabinet area, as she has already shown you, in the cabinet area. So that's a typical room. This is the master bedroom, the 2-bedroom. So we can check out the other room. So I can't wait to show you the other room and the kitchen. The kitchen is the most important thing.
Yes.
So this is the kitchen.
Wow, I like your kitchen.
Thank you.
Even though it's like semi-open, but it's still pretty big.
Yes, I mean.
Big kitchen.
So it is an open space kitchen.
Yes.
Yeah, so
and it has the same features like in the 3-bedroom.
In the 3-bedroom, yeah. The only difference is it's an open space. Yeah. The heat extractor, you can.
Oh, this cabinet is really big.
Yes. A provision provided.
Do you know something? This extractor really saves a lot of space in the room, you know, because it's just like a thin build one, not like the other ones that are so big and bulky.
And actually, I mean, it can really take out a lot of smoke at a time.
Yes.
Yeah.
Do you have fire detectors in this apartment?
Yeah.
You do have fire detectors?
Yeah, they are on the floors. Yeah. And motion sensors that detect individuals coming in. Yes. So.
I guess it's very anti-theft.
Yeah, I mean, security here is really our priority. Okay. So this is one of the rooms to the 2-bedroom. Yeah. Yes, for free.
So all your rooms are just inside, the master bedroom and the other rooms are all inside?
The master bedroom size is a bit different. That one is a bit larger.
It's a bit bigger?
Yeah.
Nice.
So
you just get little slice of the ocean view, not too much.
Oh yeah.
But it's still a pretty nice view.
I mean, and all rooms have this the balcony, so at least you might get, as you said, a bit of the ocean view, but the balcony get a full view. So the bathroom to this bedroom is actually here.
Also, with the other room, the master bedroom has the heater, but this one has it in the. I hope you enjoyed looking at these beautiful properties with me. If you're interested in any of these buildings, I'm going to leave the contact in the description box below. I am Mami Sika, your #1 Kasoa ambassador. Remember that obra, woara, but life is how you make it. Till next time, I'm out.